हेलो व्यूअर्स, वेलकम इन आरके लॉ फाउंडेशन। मैं एडवोकेट विनय रोदिया एक बार आपका फिर से नई वीडियो के साथ नए टॉपिक के साथ आपका स्वागत करता हूं। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल आरके लॉ फाउंडेशन। इन दिस वीडियो we will discuss a very important topic. That topic is UPSC. Actually, UPSC declare some post for Central Bureau of Investigation. It means CBI. In this video, we will discuss about that post APP and PP for CBI. And in this video, we will discuss selection process of APP and PP. UPSC adopt many selection process. That selection process based on the applications. When applications are large, then UPSC adopt other method. If applications are short, then UPSC will adopt another method. So in this video, I will tell you everything about the selection process and other methods. So friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and now we are going with selection process. Firstly, we will discuss minimum essential qualifications. That what is the minimum essential qualification? Number first point, all applicants must fulfill the essential requirements of the post and other conditions. So friends, you have to remember first thing, all applicants must fulfill the essential requirements of the post and other conditions. So friends, you are going with the CBI APP, you must fulfill essential requirements and stipulated in the advertisement. जो आप लोगों को एडवर्टाइजमेंट में दिया गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग यू विल फुलफिल योर एसेंशियल रिक्वायरमेंट्स. दे आर एडवाइज्ड टू सेटिस्फाई themselves before applying that they possess at least the essential qualification laid down for various posts. So friends, if you are applying for the post of APP and PP, so Union Public Service Commission advised to you satisfy yourself before applying all the posts. No inquiry asking for the advice as to eligibility will be entertained. No inquiry will entertain by the UPSC. So you have to careful about the qualification and their requirements. Now we are going with selection process. For UPSC, there are two notes are very important about selection process. In this, one note is the prescribed essential qualification are the minimum. It means the prescribed essential qualification are the minimum, and the mere possession of the same does not entitle candidates to be called for interview. It means if UPSC change the selection process, then those candidates filed their minimum and essential qualification, then they are not called for interview. Now we are going with note second. Second note is, in the event of number of applications being large, if application numbers are very large or large, then commission will adopt short listing criteria. Then UPSC will adopt short listing criteria to restrict the number of candidates to be called for interview to a reasonable number by any or more of the following methods. If the numbers of applications being large, then UPSC will follow these methods. For application of large numbers, they have 5 methods, which are method A, on the basis of desirable qualification or any one or all of the desirable qualifications if more than one desirable qualification is prescribed. Method B, on the basis of higher educational qualification than the minimum prescribed in the advertisement. Suppose you have LLM and another candidate have LLB, then they will invite for interview who have LLM. Next, method C, on the basis of higher experience in the relevant field than the minimum prescribed in the advertisement. If the applications are large, then method for selection on the basis of experience, then who have higher experience, they will call them for interview. Next method, method D, by counting experience before or after the acquisition of the essential qualification. Method D is another method by counting experience before or after the acquisition of the essential qualifications. Now method E. So we are going with method E. By invoking experience in the cases where there is no experience mentioned either as essential qualification or as desirable qualification. These methods for the UPSC, APP and PP. If you like my video, then press the like button, and dislike my video, then press the dislike button and mention your reason why you are going with dislike. And my request to you, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. RK Law Foundation always with you. Thank you very much.